Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TruthGPT token. Ticker symbol is Truth. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It was trending on Twitter. It said like 30,000 tweets about it. I don't know if it's, spam or whatever. Token's not doing very well though today. It is down 58%. So even though it was trending for whatever reason on Twitter, it's not doing well. So that's kind of odd how that works. You would think maybe it's a bot, because if that many people were excited about it, then you think the price would be up. But, that's just a guess. I don't know if it was a bot. Maybe people are excited. I have no idea. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So yeah, not only is this token down almost 59% right now, and yeah, it was trending on Twitter. It said, I'm going to actually check Twitter too right now and see if it's still trending. If you follow like crypto pages on Twitter, it'll tell you, in financial sections what's trending. So it'll say, like right now in business and finance, it says hashtag cryptocurrencies is trending. But last night, I believe it said TruthGPT was trending with like 30,000 tweets or something like that. So I can't see it right now. Actually, the Pepe token is trending right now on Twitter, and it says 889,000 tweets. Now, I didn't do a video on the Pepe token because there's been so many Pepe tokens come out in the past, and I just feel like I've talked about Pepe way too much, but that is a new token that is available on Hotbit. I believe maybe MEXC as well. There's referral codes to both of those exchanges if you don't have an account in the description box down there, so check those out. But yeah, the Pepe token just came out and that's trending. But last night, TruthGPT was token. So TruthGPT, all one word, is the name of the token. Truth is the ticker symbol. Their official webpage is truthgptofficial.com. They have their Ether scan here on CoinMarketCap, their price chart contract address. Their Twitter is at TruthGPT token, and a Telegram at TruthGPT portal. And yeah, besides that, there is a huge warning also at the top of the CoinMarketCap page. So not only is this token down a significant amount, there's a huge warning here that says the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. So please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. When there's big warnings like that, it can be real sketchy. So be aware of that and thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it. Doesn't necessarily mean 100% that it's going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to. And I mean, just look at the chart. The token is not doing very well. And it is very strange that it was trending with so many tweets, so many hashtag TruthGPT tweets last night. And that could be actually, other people could be just talking about ChatGPT. And this token just happened to be already out named TruthGPT. And I saw them exactly at the same. You never know, because Elon Musk obviously has been talking about, not rushing AI and GPT. So it could be just a huge coincidence. So yeah, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, leave a comment if you guys have any thoughts on that. So there's not a ton of info on this token now. There's a 24-hour trading volume of $886,000. Fully diluted market cap $521,000 and market cap $522,000. So those are also self-reported, it says, so be aware of that. And this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you did want to buy this token, you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the TruthGPT token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage. You can find it on their Etherscan, on CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. I think it said 0% tax though. So default tax is probably fine, or default slippage, I mean, is probably fine. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you go to their page, truthgptofficial.com, I don't see a white paper. I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC. If you click on the 3 bars in the top right-hand corner, all it has is home, about us, tokenomics, and then a link to their Twitter and their Telegram. So it says, introducing a TruthGPT, a maximum truth-seeking AI. They have a buy now button that'll take you to Uniswap, and they have a DEX tools chart. It says, at TruthGPT, our mission is to uncover and share the truth in all its forms. We believe that truth is essential for making informed decisions and creating positive change in the world. That's why we created an advanced AI system that is dedicated to seeking out the truth in every situation. Our artificial intelligence is powered by the latest in machine learning technology, enabling it to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, whether it's investigating a news story, fact-checking a claim, or exploring a scientific hypothesis. TruthGPT is always on the hunt for the most accurate and reliable information available. But we don't just stop at finding the truth. We also aim to share it with the world in a clear and accessible way. Our AI can generate reports, summaries, and explanations of complex topics, making it easy for people to understand and engage with the truth. At TruthGPT, we're committed to transparency and ethical practices. We prioritize the privacy of our users and the security of their data. We also believe in accountability, and we welcome feedback and criticism from the users to help us improve and evolve. Join us on the quest for the truth. Visit TruthGPT today and experience the power of maximum truth-seeking AI. Now, they have the contract address on here, and it says 0% buy and sell tax, like I mentioned. Total supply 1 billion tokens, and then it says burnt liquidity 100%, and that is the whole page there. So there's no other information. If you go to their Twitter, it says Truth is not affiliated with Elon Musk. We are our own identity and dedicated to pushing a decentralized division of AI. Now, TruthGPT actually could have been trending because of a tweet from Elon Musk. So, and then this token just played off of that. That could be possible. But yeah, it kind of weirded me out that I saw TruthGPT and then this token came out at the same time. I saw that TruthGPT was trending after this token came out, so that's what made me think, that was strange, even though the token was not doing very well. April 2023, their Twitter came out at TruthGPT token, so very brand new Twitter as well. Let me scroll down and see if they're talking about trending or anything like that. Yeah, maybe, so there's a picture of Elon Musk here. Breaking news, Elon Musk is working on TruthGPT. Okay, so that's where it came from. It came from Elon Musk, and that's why it was trending, and then this token just played off of that, of course. I should have thought of that to begin with, obviously. What am I thinking? I need to follow Elon Musk's page more. I need to read his tweets more finely and go over them every single day so I know what's up with Elon. Yeah, let me see how recently Elon Musk tweeted about TruthGPT here. It was probably just last night then. This token maybe just came out super quick right after Elon Musk started talking about TruthGPT. Now let me, I don't know, it could have been in a reply tweet or something like that. You never know. But anyways, yeah, it came from Elon Musk and then this token came out. So that's why it was trending. Nothing to do with this token. But anyways, what do you guys think about this token? I think it needs a full audit. It needs a KYC. It needs more security. It's not doing very well. There's a big warning on CoinMarketCap. There's not a lot of good things with this token, but what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.